Why are we inside an Airbnb in space? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know either. But it's fun to just float around in space. I think we are in space. I think we would need a spacesuit. We are robots, not humans. Oh, I forgot. Why is there a random Airbnb in here? I don't know. Let's explore. Ooh. Nobody has been here in ages. I think there's cellular signal here. Okay. Let's follow behind. Ow. Gravity in this place is completely unpredictable. I'm floating. Help me. I'm gonna come to save you. Ow. Ow. Deploy spikes. Oh. Deploy spikes. Oh. Get back here, Verity. He's trying to save his friend. Why is he just spinning like that? I'm bleeding! Ah! Okay, Dr. Melon appears.
Terrace yan. Opo. Ito may mga bintana to. Terrace yan. Terrace to. Hindi ako yung bahay. May gano'n naman. Oo, yun yung bagay ng tindahan. Gawin tindahan. Oo, tumagawa pang tindahan. Kahit tayo nila.
Oh, hi, Anne. What are you doing all the way from space? I mean, all the way from planet Earth. My leg! Don't worry, friend. I gotcha.
Nakatulog na si Lolo. Tuesday pa makalalakad eh. Yung sabihin nila, ako sinahanap ng bahay.
Wee. My leg is back. Yippee! I'm floating away. Where did Anne go? Never mind. Let's just go to the kitchen.
Terrace nga yun. Diba? Sabi niya terrace ka. Ito mo sa video, mukha siyang kwarto.
Ooh.
Diba? siya na nakita ko yan. Kaya nga unang tanong ko, sure ba yan? Legit ba? Binibenta ng mura.
Ooh. Nom, 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 nom. Ooh, this cake is yummy. It's freeze-dried, I think.
Opo.
Whoa, whoa. Since Puso has it. Ooh! Ooh! Ah! No. The leg snaps off again. Ooh! I'm gonna pass it to Dr. Melon. There. Dr. Melon is in the house. There.
Ay, aparador. Kukunin mo yun. Ayoko noon.
Sorry. It's okay.
Sabi ko basta kung ano yung setup natin dyan, yun pa rin setup namin natin sa water.
Wait.
Opo.
That syringe is
Okay na yan.
going up in outer space. Let me just inject the regrowth syringe
Opo.
in
Salas hindi eh. Diba? Opo. Na-maintain nila yung baba. Pero yung amang pipinturong
the wall.
okay na yun. The rest okay na.
Oh no! Here we go.
Brown.
Excuse me, Dr. Melon. Okay. Ah!
Nakita niyo kaysa namin wallpaper yung kaysa namin na. Makulay.
Ow!
Wallpaper po kaysa namin.
Oh!
Tama naman na yung sa ligarig, anak. Sabi siya, maglalaro na ganyan kung ganyan kala mo ka nagpuputulin lagi ng litid.
Oh!
Kain na. Susubasta na lang talaga literally na sobrang halaga.
Dr. Melon is actually just regular melon. You should wear a spacesuit, Melon. Spacesuit time.
Kahit kaya yung kwarto sa baba, may bintana rin po eh. Yung terrace may bintana, yung salas may bintana.
There.
Opo, diba?
Now you're ready for space. Why was I sleeping here?
Ayaw din naiinitan. Wala silang aircon.
Where then?
Oo, mag-i-aircon ka pa ba yan sa dahil mong bintana?
I want to go upstairs. I'm gonna play Melon Sandbox. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, it's a Melon NPC.
Lola, magpapadala naman ng panggastos yun. Hindi mahirap bumiyahe, wag lang kayo alis ng alas 7. 8 or 9 kayo umalis, yun ang pinakamaluwag na biyahe ko.
Wee!
Days ko. Laging alas 9, alas 8, mami, kaya ayaw aalis dito sa bahay.
Ooh, this is cool. Wee! I'm floating through space.
Kumain ka na.
Wee!
Hintay mo pa quality natin dito ka ayaw lang kumain. Oh, dali.
Why can't I drag in? Just wait. N is wounded. There we go. Now that wound healed, and he's ready to explore outer space with Melon and Lilypad and friends.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that? Sabi mo buhok, ako art. Ano sabi mo? Hindi mo buhok?
No, I said woo.
Akala ko buhok.
Today has been a long day traveling to outer space. Now I'm gonna. Oh, why is the pillow floating? Nope, never mind. I have physical trauma causing lots of destruction in this type of house, and I think I'm not gonna sleep. I can't fit through the door. I wonder if I can go through the walls. Oh, what the hell? What happened? I thought the door wasn't unfrozen.
Namin? Oo, ma. Pero yun.
Whew, it's breaking. It's surprising for a little house like this in space.
Ito, ayun na yun. Sabihin niyo, mami, pamasahe ah. Ay, hindi na. Oh, sarap.
Gonna get the characters.
Umayos ka kumakain na pati.
Okay.
Akala mo talaga kapag 35 na ako, piling ko lahat ang buhok ko puti na.
Wee.
Ako na ko sa Wawa naman si Mapsan ka na kasi ng Tuesday. Si naning mami, madaing itlog. Oh. Itlog? Ako nila.
That is my butt hurt.
Siya kami pansit kanton ako
Oh.
dyan. 2 beses na ang kakain. Pag uwi niyo ni Bianca,
Perfect siya.
bumili na kayo ng
Wee.
o si Pedro.
Yummy.
Ha?
Yeah.
San Pedro?
Yeah.
Ang hinahanap ko rin si San Pedro. Sabi na bang mamatay?
May mga nakakarinig naman sa akin, kaya pala pinatitingin na lang.
Sabi ni Bianca, ayaw ka naman pala dito ng San Pedro. San Pedro, hindi Senior Pedro. Senior Pedro. Oo, nakakanya pa siya talaga. Tuwan-tuwa pa siya sabihin mo na San Pedro doon.
Kaya pala yung mga driver, napapalingon na lang talaga.
Wait.
Sabi ng mga kapit pa yung ingay ko. Oo, nasa baba lang kami dalawa. Para di nyo rin ingay namin dalawa.
Knock, knock. Oh, that must be it.
Oo nga, tama. At least bawas na yung ingay. Hindi ganun.
Oh, no, no, no.
Oo. Mga basura. Basta, tatlo ba talaga kwarto sa taas? Bibos tayo yung mga gamit namin to. Doon sa isang kwarto itatambak ka. Kasi gusto ko space namin sa baba, ganito lang din eh. Oo, mahaba lang ako.
He's just floating through the air.
Po, storage na lang. Basta kami na sa baba kami. Storage na lang yung isa kasi hindi ko ipapasok yung mga gamit namin to.
Wee.
Sa salas lang to tuwing maliligo ako. Tapos di ko sasarapin ito.
Okay.
Ka sa lamesa siya.
Okay. Wait, I already done that before. Wee. Oh, I just woke up already. I wonder what can I do with this? Wee! Boink. Boink.
Si San Pedro nga. Pag tinapayabag na tutulog. Mahawak na tinapay si San Pedro, oh. Hindi pala to si San Pedro to. Ano ba? Wala nang spinach yan. Ang daldal mo kasi.
No, it tasted something funny in there.
Baka yung seasoning na ano. Ako na lang, ayaw ko na. Okay.
No! And also, Blue appears. What's up, mates? We get loose tonight.
Ano maingay? Oh.
Nobody is knocking at our doors to pay our electricity bills. That's cool. Knock, knock. Dude. Is that an alien?
Mag-ibigay ni Bianca.
Ay! Electricity? Ooh. Dang it. Shut up! I don't want to pay my bills. You say that I'm recording.
Sorry.
Ow.
Oo, may nakahanging blouse.
Meow.
Pwede yun yung liitan?
Meow.
Patuloy sa gilid. Yun lang, kasi hindi siya cotton eh. Opo.
Wee.
May coins. Apo.
Oh, hi, kitty. Wee, flying pillow. Oh, I wonder what's upstairs. Wee. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Boing. Ow. Please land inside the house.
Oy, San Pedro, hindi ka na maliligo. Tulog na, si San Pedro, nakanga pa.
I'm inside the house now. Oh, it's the attic.
Hayaan mo si San Pedro. Hayaan mo siya. May tinapay pang hawak si Bianca. Eh, walang yan mo. May tinapay pang hawak si Bianca habang natutulog. Oo, ma. Kumain yung tinira kong munggo. Hindi na po. Wawa naman.
Ay.
Ikaw pang tinapay talaga. Tapos baka lumamari.
I think he will be swarmed by ants soon.
Gisingin mo.
Tita Maya! You
May
will be...
tinapay ka pang hawak. Natutulog ka na. Lalanggamin ka dyan. Pinapasok ko na lang ng langgam tenga mo. Siya, may dip ka muna. Gisingin ka namin namaya.
Papa! Wee! That rabbit from the floor is heaven round his back. He's cute though. He didn't deserve to die. I'm gonna phase through these barrels. I'm stuck. Oh, sorry, kitty.
Sabi ni Lolo. Kumayan.
Huh? Is that a shooting star? I became a shooting star. Oh, me too. Ah. 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 We should make a wish. Bonk.
Ulan signal yan. Ulitin nyo lang ng
What the hell?
Kanina pa rin ako ganyan. Pag magsasend ako ng text kay Bianca sa mga pabibili ko.
We.
Tatake ka ba?
No. Don't say that. I'm recording.
Wala.
Why did you laugh?
Ate. Mamaya. Ako na. Dito ako tapos gumawa ng lilipan.
That was so much fun. Ow.
Wait. Iwan ko na kung maliligo ko. Subukan niya magdikot doon. sasabihan ko po yan. Okay na, tatapusin ko na lilipad. Matigil na lang. Huwag na masyado maingay, anak, ha?
Wee. Boink, boink, boink. Oh, Baymax, where have you gone? You.
Ay, hindi pa na ito. Tumayo ka. Tumayo ka. Hindi ka pinatawa na nagre-recording. Kunin mo yung tubig mo. Tama na. Tapos wag ka munang umupo. Tignan mo chan mo. Law-law na sa laki.
What did my laugh sound
Sabi
like?
yung water mo. Ayun, oh.
What did my laugh sound like?
Hilarious. Tama na, ha?
Wait, what the hell is Baymax doing here?
Listen, tumayo ka. Dito ka mag-cellphone. Huwag kang umupo. Sarap na lang sa tawa. Habag, tama na.
Dude.
Walang yan mo, Bianca. Walang yan mo talaga, Bianca. Mutod po, ang baho. Talaga sa tama yung burnale. Ning! Lahat ng saway ko na to.
Okay, do you hate?
Lahat ng saway ko na to.
Okay, but do you hate?
Don't hate you. Pangatlong saway ko na to, ha?
Love you.
Tama na, love you too. Pangatlong saway ko na to.
Do you hate me?
Ay, doon, tama na. Mag-cellphone ka na nakatayo. Tigilan mo na ngayon na doon sa inbox.
No, I'll stop.
Tapusin mo yung recording mo, tas tama na, ha?
No, I'll stop being annoying. Right?
Okay, tama na. Sige na. Baka papadala na. Tama na, Nani, ha?
What was all of the commotion I heard back there? We you know. Oh, dang it. Wee. Okay, time to play the dramatic Jeopardy music because it's about to explode. Okay. Where's the bomb? What did my laugh sound like earlier? Huh? What did my laugh sound like earlier?
Funny, hilarious, pero masyado na hindi para sa gabi. So, baka rinig nila mga kapitbahay.
Okay.
Sige, huwag ka tumigil. Sobra naman sa ligaya. Nalulungkot ka sa akin. Yung pinapangarap ng Philippine Airlines at siguro pa hindi ko bibigyan. Sige. Sobra na naman tayo, anak.
Are you mad at me?